Welcome to the channel. Dear friends, if you are someone who loves to become a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, or want to learn about new concepts like deep learning, sentiment analysis, NLP, or anything relating to data, but are scared of getting into coding, either because you are having 10, 15 years of experience and don't want to do coding, then this is definitely for you. So we are going to cover a lot of concepts over here. So stay connected. This series is the tool that I'm using is Orange Data Mining Tool. The link to this tool will be put in the description below. Today, I'm going to cover a very small topic about how can I do text pre-processing without having to code for my sentiment analysis. So I have downloaded the version of it and Orange looks something like this. This area is called as a canvas, and how to get acquainted to Orange, I can put the link to the in the description again. What I have done is I am taking a file. It's easy. You just have to come here, read the file, and the file will be uploaded, right? So there are three simple sentences which I have over here. So just for us to see, I am just pulling out a line and saying data table. So you do not have to worry about importing pandas, saying select star, you remembering any of those Python statements to view the data, but you should just click and get the right widgets at the right place. So I have three sentences over here telling that he is a good boy, she is a good girl, both the boy and the girl are good, right? So this is a normal view, but I want to do sentiment analysis and text pre-processing. So I will pull out a line and say corpus, because the data over here is treated as a text field, which is a meta field. So to handle that data, I need a corpus widget. It is nothing but to tell that which all text fields are you going to use and which fields are you going to ignore. So in this current file, I have only one column, so I'm going to use the same column, right? I can view my details again using corpus viewer, which will make it easy for me to view each and every record in my file. Whenever you're doing sentiment analysis, you would want to pre-process your text before you give it to the machine learning model or the deep learning model to do some sort of predictive analytics, right? So when I come over here, so let me start from the beginning. We have transformation, tokenization, normalization, filtering, n-gram, POS tagger, and I'll be covering each one of them slowly and in detail. So let's start with the most easiest one, tokenization, right? So I do not have to import a regular expression library. With Orange, these things will get auto imported, which makes it easy for people like you and me who wants to do programming, who wants to actually focus on the analysis part rather than getting lost in the coding part. So let's first type telling that I want sentences. I know in my current document, I only have one sentence. So let's see how does that come out. So I'm going to say corpus viewer, and I'm going to say show tokens and taggers. So you see, because I said I want one sentence at a time, the token is he's a good boy, she's a good girl, and this is also a single sentence. If I would have had two sentences, then it would have broken it down. Let's come back. Let me cover it as a regular expression where I'm giving /w plus, which comes by default, which means to tell that I want each word at a time. Because it's automatically applied, I do not have to worry. I come back to the corpus viewer, and now you can see that each word is being broken down into a token. Both the boy and the girl are good. She is a good girl. He is a good boy. Now, one important thing which you would have learned is that whenever we are doing pre-processing, it's important for me to get the data in lowercase because, as you are aware, computer understands the language of zeros and ones. So as per the ASCII code, a capital A is different from a small a. So a good capital GOOD is different from a small spelling. So I'm transforming my complete data into lowercase and I close it. Let's go back and see, did that happen or not? See, this is your original text, whereas after transformation and tokenization, it comes out as he is a good boy. Everything is in small. The H and the G and the B, everything is converted into smaller case. She is a good girl. And you have tokens for each word over here, right? Now I will introduce one more term, which is called as n-gram range, which talks about how I can divide how I can get tokens in a range of 1 words and 2 words. So now let me just take it as 2,2 and then see how the words come out. So it has done two things. It has converted the tokens into 2 words each, both the, boy, and so on. And everything is being converted into lowercase. The tokens have been grouped into 2 grams at a time or bigrams. If I change this to 2,3 and then come over here, so you will find that he is a good boy can be first converted as he is a good boy. He is a good boy. So it has converted this sentence into various tokens of 2 bigrams and trigrams, right? And it has also ensured that everything is getting converted into lowercase. But you would have seen there are certain words which are not important, like is, the in our example, the girl are. So we do not want those words to be present. So we will be covering that in our next video about stop words. I hope you liked the video. Stay connected if you want to learn how to do complete sentiment analysis without having to code. Thank you.